the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Harder to solve, and even harder to master. What's going on, guys? It's TJ King here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube again with only 2 moves. So let's just get right into it. So you're going to want to hold your cube like I did on the 3x3, which is right here. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So you can hold it any which way. I'm going to do orange this time. And my 4x4 is not a speed cube, by the way. Think about getting one of those. Probably not, though. I'm broke as a joke. And actually, okay. So it's going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold it like this. And then instead of grabbing the one side, you're going to grab 2 of them and turn it like that. And this goes a lot quicker than the 3x3. There you go. That's how you solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So yeah, the same thing. Just get 2 of them instead of 1. And if you try to do 1, it will not work. So, yep. That's all for me, guys. Hope it was helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos. And see you later.